Hello guys, welcome to part 8 of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now in this training tutorial video, I'm going to discuss about one of the most hottest topics, if not the hottest topic in this entire year, if you are an affiliate marketer or an email marketer. And this has become an urgent matter, especially after the Gmail and Yahoo updates in February 2024. Now, this is going to be about email deliverability. Now, in this training tutorial video, I'm going to discuss with you about top 5 email deliverability tips. And if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to share with you a bonus tip. Now, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button, and also please don't miss any part of this training series because you won't get any value and you can't take any action. So please watch my step-by-step videos and how-to guides so as to grasp the whole information and apply in your business. Let's see the tip number 1, how to improve your email deliverability. The first tip will be build a quality email list. Now, you always need to test the performance of your solo ad vendors. Now, how do you do that? Now, I would recommend you to check out my top third-party tracking tool. That is a game-changing tool for affiliate marketers. So please check the link in the description box below. So the next one will be segment your list via automations. Now, you need to segment your email list. Now, whether it might be based on openers, clickers, or buyers, or based upon the opens received in the last 30 days or 60 days or 90 days or even 6 months. So you need to segment your list, guys. The third one will be sending personalized email messages to your individual list. Personalization is very important when it comes to email marketing. It might be based on addressing a certain group of beginners, or you're addressing to people who want to quit their 9-to-5 job, or you want to send personalized email messages based on their geography or their age, or you want to target persons who are about to retire and retired persons. So personalized email messages will always help you in email deliverability. Fourth one will be remove inactive subscribers to improve your sender reputation. You always need to flush out your inactive subscribers based upon people who have not opened any emails in the last 60 days or in the 90 days or in the last 6 months or the last year. So that is about the first tip. Now let's move on to the next tip. Now the second tip is domain authentication. Now you need to authenticate your domain, your email address, with SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. Now, I've explained this in the part 7 of this training tutorial series. You can watch that video. Now, the third tip would be avoid spam trigger words. Now, especially if you are a beginner, I would always recommend you to avoid the spam trigger words, because since your email address is new, you always need to avoid this spam trigger words. Now, how do you do that? Now, I would recommend you to go to this software or tool called AutoClose, where you can check your emails for spam, and this is completely free. So let me show you how. Now this is the AutoClose, which is a powerful email spam checker, and you can always enter your subject line over here, and it will show you whether the subject line has a spam trigger word. And also you can check the body content over here. You can copy and paste your body content over here, and it will show you which is the spam word, and you can in turn replace it with another word. So for example, I'm just writing it as your money making machine is ready. Now here you can see that money is a spam word, so you need to replace this money with another word. So I'm just going to replace it with moolah. So moolah is another word for money. So now you can see that it has been removed as a spam word. Now, how do you do this for every word? You can always use ChatGPT, guys. It's free, and you can always request ChatGPT for another word, and it will always give you, and you can always use it in your body content or subject line. Now, the fourth tip would be test before sending. You always need to test your email before sending out to your subscribers or your campaigns. So you can use this particular tool called Mail Tester, which is completely free. You can check your email deliverability score with this software. So let me show you how. So this is the Mail Tester software. You can test the spamminess of your emails. Now you can go to your email autoresponder, which might be AWeber, Getresponse. So you can go there and from your campaigns, you can send a test email to this particular email address. You can copy this email address and insert it into your to address, and you can just send an email. And once sent, you can come here and click on this to check your score, and it will show you the ratings out of 10 out of 10, and it will also show where to improve. Now the fifth tip would be use an email warm-up tool. Now this is a must, guys. Before you are starting your email campaigns or before starting to use your email address to send it to your subscribers, always warm up your email address. Now how do you do that? You can use email warming up tools. There are a huge number of tools available out there for email warming up, and you can always check my top recommended email warming up tool, which is Warmbase. You can check the link in the description box below, which is my affiliate link, and you don't need to pay any extra amount for buying through my affiliate link, and this will help me in putting out very good content on how to guides for you in the future. Now those are the 5 tips for email deliverability, and since you watched this video this long, I would like to share with you the bonus tip which I promised earlier in this video. And this tip is going to be the number 1 tip where all email inbox providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, Outlook all want this one thing, and that is email engagement. Now, what do you mean by email engagement? Email engagement is nothing but opening of your email, clicking through your email and replying to your email. Now, I would say replying to your email is the number 1 tip that I can give you, which will skyrocket your email deliverability, guys. You always need to ask your subscribers to reply to your emails. So that is going to be the bonus tip. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.